Yes, Congressman Silky, would you like to
Actually, this is already my 15th year in Congress, no? Thanks kay Mayor at pinatakbo niya akong congressman noon. My 15th year, and I have been chairman of the Committee on Appropriations from 2013 to 2016, and I was also chairman of the Committee on Appropriations in 2019. This is the first time that I saw a bicameral conference committee report na may mga blanco. Na-shock nga ako.
Hindi po din, para ka nag-issue ng check kanya ng blanco to. You're dealing with the people of the Philippines. You do not issue a blank check to anyone because that is really addressed to the government first. At ang mga taga-gobyerno ang maglagay ng ano yung sabi? Sila na ang maglagay, ang sekretary o ang direktor? Anong kalokohan ng naisip ninyo niya?
Obviously, Mr. President, meron akong abandonment of constitutional duty on the part of Congress. But kay Kong Sid, sino sa tingin mo ang nag-fill up ng blanco? Kung yung BICAM pa rin ba who operates as the third chamber o merong fourth chamber na unknown?
Well, let us assume na yung mga pumirma sila, but tama yung imagination mo. Yung BICAM has been called now the third chamber kasi binabago talaga nila binabago nila yung budget. Nung araw, inabutan ko pa yun sa that was 16th Congress na kung ano yung natapos ng House
Appropriations Act,
GAB, at saka yung GAB na ginawa ng Senate, gagawa pa kami ng matrix. Yung House version kasi versus Senate version, then yung variance. Yun ang pag-usapan nyo kung ano yung
reconciliation.
Reconciliation, may matrix. Ngayon, binabago talaga nila lahat. So, that's why we call it third chamber. Yung possible imagination na may fourth chamber na nag-fill up. Well, kung meron man, those who sign are still responsible kasi sila pumirma.
Falsification yan. If it changes the meaning, if it's just a grammar, putting a correct one or in ganon, okay pa yan. And or, pero if you change put there a sentence to change its meaning far different from the original intent of Congress or the executive order, then it changes the meaning and you are not allowed to do that because you can go to jail.
At Mr.